was my first day on the Indian Railway, and everything was new to me. Apart from my friend Ashima, who I first met when she came to Sodor.
Well, Thomas, what do you think?
I thought Sodor was busy, but that must be the busiest station I have ever seen.
Oh, yes. The Indian Railway is the busiest and biggest in the world. Some say it's the king of all railways. I know what you're thinking.
You do?
You're thinking, whoa, check out the crown.
I was?
Maybe you should introduce yourself first, Rajiv.
Ah, yes. Silly me. I'm Rajiv, the Royal Engine. The pleasure is all yours. Noor Jahan.
Just because you have a crown doesn't mean you're royal.
Our railway is also the most glamorous.
And the most hardworking.
You'll soon get used to working here, Thomas. It's not so different to the railway on Sodor, you know?
Wow! We don't have those in the shunting yards on Sodor.
Oh, elephants used to be everywhere and can still be seen in some places in India. There was a time when elephants used to work in the shunting yards. They used to help shunt the cars when the engines were busy.
Elephants can't shunt cars.
Yes, they can. Some elephants are stronger than engines, Thomas.
Oh! Was that an elephant?
No, just me bringing you your cars.